Epic Cosplay is a USA-based cosplay wig store made up of a hardworking team of cosplayers. Being based in the US allows us to offer responsive customer service and the fastest shipping times possible. We have a selection of over 900 styles and colors ranging from natural blondes to intense greens. All of our wigs are heat resistant and tangle resistant while maintaining a soft, luxurious feel. We also offer an epic value with free US shipping and our generous, easy-to-use rewards program. You can count on us to take care of your wig needs. Don't forget to follow us on social media.